Well guys, it's my birthday today. It's a beautiful day. It's not the best weather right now. We're at Springs. We're about to eat a paddlefish. I've always wanted to eat at Lay Fish. Oh, it says paddle. We're here. It is still raining. Wait, we have a good view.
Is your birthday song isn't very long.
Happy birthday, little True. Oh, thank you, happy car. That is an incredible card right there. Oh, dear Kevin. I hope your birthday is as special as you are. I know I was in special ed my entire life. Make sure you're free on the 14th because we're going to DAC after hours. Oh my God. What? How late does this go?
We get from 4 to midnight. And unlimited ice cream, unlimited popcorn.
I'm gonna get ice cream drunk. I'm gonna get popcorn drunk, even though I can't eat popcorn because of hashtag Crohn's, doesn't digest. Oh, we're gonna start it off. Jumbo lump crab cake top fries. Oh my God.
Goodness.
The fries are banging. Oh my God, it is a smiley face. What?
Even my soup is happy.
There's one thing I love in life, besides Allison, is flourless chocolate cake. And that's what we got.
Smeared with the blood of your enemies.
I guess you could say it was pretty good. I think the paddlefish is one of our new favorite, you guys are still a little wet, favorite restaurants at Springs. The food was incredible, the drinks were incredible, our server was incredible. Trey, shout out, thank you for making my birthday magical. Okay, so Allison and I just got home. We're getting ready for our the dinner with everyone tonight, but I gotta take a second to show you the card that my grandmother sent me. Wasn't sure if you'd appreciate one of those really corny birthday cards. I'm sure you know where this is about to go. The corn queen herself. Look what she sent me. Oh. Actually, this weekend I'm flying home to visit her for her 80th birthday, so we'll have a corny time, and don't worry, I will update you guys on what the cornfield looks like right now. But in the meantime, it's time to go to one of my favorite restaurants with some of my favorite people on the planet. Now, you guys remember what happened at our birthday dinner last year?
This one we know we get the discount on.
Yes,
yes,
we know we get the discount here. Do we get our cast member discount today?
Not today, because it is Mother's Day weekend. Wah wah.
It happened again.
I hate you right now.
Yeah, so this year we're going to a place where we know we're paying full price, baby. We going to California Grill. Did you bring the coupons?
Coupons? No. What's the point?
There it is. To the magical elevator. You ready? You ready? We made it. All right, so we're gonna watch the fireworks first before our reservation starts.
Every time that I would ask her, then one evening, the stream of love came out, blow me down and pick me up. She swapped me for a trout.
What?
You can see my storage unit.
They can see your storage unit. You got fireworks going on. You can see your storage unit.
Our storage unit. It's a tablet. Oh,
They're looking at their storage unit.
Cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
Allison, thank you so much for paying for all those fireworks for my birthday. It means a lot. We're finally here at California Grill. Jared, you're surrounded by urns. They didn't have the strawberry cider that I got last time, but they had my jungle juice, and that's all that matters. So Andy thought this was a coaster. That's for your bread and butter, sir. A lot is riding on the slice of pizza now, honey.
that's very good.
Best pizza in Disney World.
It's heavenly.
The pizza's good?
It's pizza-rific. It's...
What does Hermie think of it? Hi, Dom.
Whoa!
I'm gonna wish for something, and it has to come true. I wish from a smile from you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
We all got our bills. Andy asked if we got a discount. I told him no. Wait, what did you just ask?
How much was the discount?
No, buddy, there's no discounts here. It's okay. What do you have to say?
We're paying full price.
Apparently, they charge you for the kids' meal, but you didn't get a kids' meal.
Yeah, I don't think I did.
How much did you pay?
$13.
Now, we just got home. We didn't spend $13 like Bridget did, but we didn't spend what we did last time.
Get that away from me. I don't want to see that.
But since we went to California Grill, Bridget's mom gave me a great gift, a very affordable gift. This is what you gave me? A Slim Jim.
A Slim Jim with cheese.
And a crumpled up Skittles, probably from
Probably from
year's.
Halloween party.
Yeah. Oh, I'm honored. I'm gonna enjoy this.
Happy birthday.
Never had a Slim Jim. It's currently expired. Look at this gourmet dining. California Grill worthy. Now, my thing is, how is cheese okay being warm? It looks like one of those glue sticks you put into a glue gun, but yellow. No, why do people eat these things? Thank you, Bridget's mom. You're the best. Let's eat that. What, Allison? What is this thing called? Is it a sausage? It smells like a dog treat. That actually isn't that bad. Well, guys, thank you for the birthday wishes. Hopefully, I live till next birthday, because I don't know after eating this thing. But we're gonna end the video with a nice quality clip for you to enjoy. I have no idea what she's doing right now. A true boat.
Allison Loggins, and you're watching Disney Channel.
What's the story behind the California Grill Christmas, Mickey?
Merry Christmas, and I just wanted to bring a little humor to the night. That's right, pal. Gosh,